2012 Elantra has a misfire. Has a misfire on cylinder 3. And this is number 3 coil right here. This is cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 3 is our problem. Okay, let's remove our number 3 coil. One 10mm bolt. There's our old coil. Now let's get this wiring out. There we go. This is the old one, which, well, honestly guys, I don't really know what happens to these. A friend of mine told me they usually crack sometimes here somewhere, but I don't know what I'm looking for. Let's put the new one in. Here is the new one. I think it's best to connect it before. Put the bolt back in. So let's start it up. Handbrake's on, it's in neutral. It needs to be plugged in. Plug in the scanner. And let's clear that code because that's the one that was on the reader. Engine must be shut off. That's the first time it did that to me. Shut off the engine and keep the key forward. Oops. One moment, please. Erase was successful. Now the scanner is going to read again. No DTCs or freeze frame data is presently stored, so that was our issue. Let's put our housing back on. You hear the clicks, you know it's going in. Let's take it for a drive. She's already running better. It's already running better. Guys, I can already tell you that it's running great right now. It was completely out on a cylinder, so it was only operating on 3 cylinders. And now it seems to be running really nice. So guys, I'll go through her gears a bit here now after I clears this little bump there and show you that she's running really good. Really nice. All cylinders firing up. Car's acting really good. No complaints. So that's it, guys. That's all on this one. Just a little video. Sometimes a misfire can be so many different things. It could be sensors, it could be throttle body, it could be so many issues. In this circumstances, our code reader told us it was a misfire in cylinder number 3. I knew it wasn't the plugs because I have new iridiums in it. I knew it was a coil because I already had lost one coil in a number 4 cylinder and replaced that one a few months back. So I knew it was going to be a coil regardless. I could tell by the way it was. And when I put a scanner on, that rectified it for me and told me it was a coil. So I picked up coils, actually from a friend. And so here we are. Car's running back normal. Couldn't ask for any better. Thanks for watching, everyone. In this case, I had a bad coil and my code reader read it and told me it was cylinder number 3. Got a coil from a friend, installed it, and fixed the problem. So see you on the next one. Don't forget, you can give me a like and subscribe if you wish, and I'll see you later.